Hey, what's up? So, this is how, well, you don't really modify it, I was just like, fucking, make fucking now. But, here, I got my end strike nerf gun, as you can see, and modified it, you know, modified this, and as you can tell, like, got a LED flashlight, um, a scope, kind of lines up with this. No, this is my gun that I modified. Um, I modified it to shoot UVs, also to still shoot nerfs. Um, um, in this little pocket, I can put extra bullets in it or something stuck. But yeah, so that's my modified in strike nerf gun. Now here's my other in strike. As you can see, my friend did this. He's retarded. But when you shoot it, you can there's an LED light inside of it that also does it. It comes with it. Alright, so watch. This is what the gun does. But that's the little modified. So yeah. Here's my other two real beans. Oh, here's this one. My Desert Eagle BB gun. I yeah. Who's that?
What are you doing? You better stop posting shit on YouTube.
Why?
Because I'm getting sick and tired of it. I'm gonna take my computer.
I'm not doing anything.
I don't care. The ice shit over there needs to go back.
Oh my god, Mommy.
You need to clean this stuff up. It's 10 o'clock at night.
So,
Get off my computer and go to bed. I'm not telling you.
Alright, man. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna get my BB gun. Hold on. This thing is powerful. As hold on, I'll show you. It has three things where you can load it. This is what's the name? See it right here. Anyways, tell me what you think. If you want me to post more videos, this is.